We, Zhejiang Universal Machinery Company Limited, specialized in production and sales of solar lighting tower, diesel generator, super silent generator, reefer container generator, mobile lighting tower, and construction-related equipment. Covers most world-famous brands like Cummins, Deutz, Perkins, Isuzu, Volvo, FAW, LD, Strict Management, Brave Innovation, Customer Satisfaction, and Strive for the Brand is our manufacturing principle. Through the improvement of the production process, we have accumulated rich experience in design, manufacture, and debugging, ensuring reliable and steady performance of our products. We set branch in Dubai for spare parts supply and after sales. Till nowadays, we developed agent in main countries all over the world like USA, Canada, Australia, France, Indonesia, Palestine, Nigeria, Venezuela, Philippines, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, offering Univ power system equipment and good quality service to over 100 countries. ODM and OEM is acceptable according to customer requirements. Our factory area occupied 30,000 square meters with annual production 5,000 units. Generator power ranges from 5 kVA to 2,200 kVA. Solar lighting tower with illumination power capacity from 100 watts to 400 watts. According to the functions, we offer common type, automation type, trailer type, van type, low noise type, and other type series. We can design and manufacture the special specification and models in accordance with the customer's requirement. We would be a reliable partner in this field. Welcome overseas clients. Come and communicate with us.